In this video, we are going to compare large language models like Bard, ChatGPT, and Bing AI. So we have an article on edulore.in named Knowing How to Manage YouTube Recommendations, and we want to know whether this article is search engine optimized or not and want some suggestions as well. So let's drop the prompt on ChatGPT for the same, asking for improvements if the article is not search engine optimized. So what it's saying is that it is unable to access the specific article that I'm asking for, and instead it's giving me some best practices to follow for search engine optimization. Because it's trained on predefined datasets and cannot surf the web, it is not able to tell me whether my article is search engine optimized or not. So it's saying I'm unable to access specific articles on the internet or browse website directly. Okay, so let's try Bing AI for the same. And what happens is that it goes to the search engine and searches for the parts of the words of the prompt and combines the text on the websites that it gets and gives the answer, but it cannot find any article about that prompt. So that's why it's saying I'm sorry. So let's go to the Bard and ask for the same thing by giving the same prompt. What it does is that it surfs to the article and analyzes my article and says that article is not SEO optimized, and suggests to me that article should contain some keywords like YouTube recommendations, and suggests to me some titles as well. And also it says that I should include a meta description like this article provides tips on how to control YouTube recommendations, that you can see more videos that you want. So what it also suggests is that it says that I should link or use backlinks on the website, and also tells me use images and videos throughout the article and some more suggestions. So let's ask for some title recommendations. So what it gives me is that some title for the article like the ultimate guide to controlling YouTube recommendations, how to master YouTube recommendations. So these are the titles that it suggests me to use. So if I ask for the how many keywords are used in that article, it's stunning what it shows. So it gives me each and every keyword and tells me the frequency of it. So YouTube keyword is used for 12 times in the article and like that. So that's what the power of Bard is. And if I ask for rating out of 10, it gives me 7 for that article of how to manage YouTube recommendations, and it suggests me some more, and it is like an insight that it's giving, and we will talk about its coding capabilities later. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, share and subscribe if you want. Thanks for watching. Thank you.